So I'm Franz James C. Figueredo. I'm gonna discuss about infix, prefix, and postfix, and data structure and algorithm. So I'm gonna start in infix. Infix is notation is when the operator is written between the operands. So our operator is the plus, and our operands is A and B. So infix is the common way that we people do the math. So you know, put the operators between the operands, as you can see in the example. Then and prefix is notation is when the operator is written before the operands. So in the prefix, we write first the operator, then we write the operands, as you can see in the example, the plus a b. That's prefix. And postfix is the opposite of the prefix. I'm gonna write the operands first, then we write the operator, as you can see in the one. So let's continue. So why do we need to convert the infix to prefix and postfix? So because computers can evaluate them more easily without worrying about parentheses or operators precedence. Since in the infix we have so many things that works or do the infix, but the computer prefers the prefix and postfix style. So as you can see in the following table or sample, the infix always put the operator between the operands, as you can see, and the prefix always put the operators before the operands, and prefix write the operands first. Write operands first, then write the operators. Then I'm gonna go to expression 1. So the expression 1 gonna be a plus b. The prefix is a plus ab. So just the same. When the computer compute it, just the same result, but just the orientation of the plus, the operators and the operands is not is the difference. But when the computation is finished, just the same result. Then the operation 2, we have parentheses. So in the infix rule, gonna use the PEMDAS, parentheses, expression, multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. So we're gonna first compute the what's inside the parenthesis, then multiply it by c, and the prefix plus add the a plus ab, then multiply it by c, and a postfix just the same, plus the ab first, then multiply it by c. In expression 3, we have the one. So infix is a times b plus c, same as the expression 2, with the compute first what inside the parentheses, b plus c, then multiply it by a, then the postfix ab plus abc plus equals to a times equals to. So I'm gonna compute b plus c, then multiply the result by a, just the same as the infix method. So in the expression 4, we have the a divided by b plus c divided by d, just the same. I'm gonna compute the a divided by b first, then compute the c divided by d, then add the two results. In the postfix and prefix, just the same. Divide the a and b, divide the c and d, then add the two results. In the expression 5, same. I'm gonna go to the a plus b, I'm gonna add it, then add again the c plus d, then multiply the two results And the prefix and postfix just the same final math, same result, and same calculation. In expression 6, we have an inner parenthesis and outer parenthesis. So we're gonna go to the inner parenthesis, which is a plus b. After adding the a plus b, we're gonna multiply it by c, then subtract it by d. It's right in how it's computed. So compute a plus b again, then multiply by c, then subtract by d. So in the postfix, we're gonna do first the ab plus, then give a plus b, then multiply it by c, then subtract it by d. So that's all about infix, prefix, and postfix convert. Thank you.